As you guys know, sometimes I buy things that are just ridiculously expensive and have very little purpose or usefulness in this world. Today is one of those days. Just got back from Las Vegas and I got myself... Guys, I'm not sure what I got, but I knew I had to have it. So I have in my hand a receipt for $1,077.09. You heard me correct. $1,077.09. And this was, I don't even know how to describe it. It was over $1,000, and they're earbuds for your ears. Let's go ahead and dive right in and see exactly what we have. Okay guys, here we go. We've got Louis Vuitton on this box, and inside is a pair of earbuds. Now, these aren't your everyday run-of-the-mill earbuds, as they come full of all sorts of little accents. As you can see right here, Louis Vuitton is engraved into that beautiful leather there. We've got the little tag, probably handmade leather pouch to carry your earbuds. And here they are. Let's just get right into it. As you can see, we've got a really nice little leather pouch there. Kind of the luxury that we come to expect from Louis Vuitton. And here, if you guys can see it, all the way around on the edge of this case is just this, gosh, it's all etched in. It feels really, really heavy. It doesn't feel cheap at all. It feels really well made. That looks like a USB-C port right there. So big thumbs up to Louis for sticking with the times and not going backwards. That was a pretty good open. Oh, look at this spring action. What pow? That's a sign of quality there. So here are the earbuds. And this is a charging case designed to hold a battery charge. So that's how you charge these, in this case. And it looks like I'm gonna put these back away until we figure out exactly what to do with them. How does that sound, guys? Because I'm not entirely sure what to do with these yet, but I'll figure it out. So close that, see if we've got anything else under here. Nothing in there, but it looks like we got an instruction manual of some sort right here. Pretty little Louis instruction manual. It's good for basically nothing. Guys, I'll be honest with you, for $1,000, this might be a great deal. It just depends on who you are. So we've got this, a nice little probably sweat cloth to polish your case up, because this isn't just a earbuds. It's a fashion piece. It's a luxury item. So basically, if you can't afford this, you shouldn't even be watching this video right now. I'm sorry, that's the way it is. If you can't afford this, just click away from the video, because you're gonna be mad that there are other people on the planet that can't afford this. And you're just gonna talk about pomp and circumstance and boo-hoo and whine as to why other people have things that you don't. But that's not why we're here today. We're here to talk about me enjoying these wonderful earbuds. So we've got small, extra large, some larges. I'm gonna try to go ahead and rock out the ones that it came with. So here is a USB adapter. This is a USB-C to USB-C power cord with the Louis Vuitton logo etched in there. Isn't that cool? Look at that little guy. Nice little leather tie there. Louis Vuitton all the way around. Goes in right there. Plug it into your power source. Boom, you're in business. So here's the deal. How did I end up with these? I didn't need them. I didn't necessarily want them, but I saw them in the store and I wanted to hear how they sounded. and I asked to try them on and to pair them with my phone, and they wouldn't let me. So even if you just want to try these out, you can't. They won't let you take the little tags off, try them on, listen to them, and take them home. You have to buy them. So that's why I bought them, because I wanted to try them. So here we are with a $1,000 set of earbuds. Shh, don't tell my husband. He has no idea I bought these. I went to Vegas. It was a work trip. He wasn't there to supervise, so I just kind of bought them. I want to put them in, hear how they sound, and see how they compare with the Apple AirPods and even the Bose Sound Sport. I'm really interested to see if the quality of these are as good as they said it was in the store. I think it was Master Dynamics, or Master of Dynamics was the name of the company they went to actually get these made. So let's see that they actually went to some good people, some pros, and they sound somewhat decent for what you paid for them. A couple facts before we pair. These things only hold 3.5 hours of charge, and the charging case holds 2 repetitive charges back to back. So you can basically probably get about 10.5 hours of non-stop use in one case, but it does take, from what it says here, 40 minutes to recharge to 100%, or 50% in 15 minutes. You guys ready? Pairing a $1,000 set of earbuds to my iPhone XS Max. They connected right away. I'm hoping I'm impressed. It fell out of that ear, but not that ear. Right to the music. So they sound pretty good. They do. I'm impressed with how these sound. Put it in. They got some buttons on them. They do some things. Got a pause button, volume, up, down. Pretty clever, Louis. Pretty clever, if I don't say so myself. Yeah, these look pretty amazing. They're definitely more than just headphones. They are a fashion statement. It is something to wear when you go out. I don't know if these are quite something you wear to the gym, maybe to the mall, maybe to a boring party with really bad music, and you just want to chill and do your own thing, because that happens to me sometimes, more times than not. Parties are kind of boring and they play crappy music. This can actually solve that. But the question, are these worth $1,000? We've got a case, we've got a branded case, we've got little accessories. I mean, it's beautiful, it's cute, it's a fashion piece, but is this worth $1,000? That's the question. That's what we need to figure out. It all depends on you. And it depends on whether or not, first of all, if you can afford this, if you've got $1,000 to spend, maybe this is right up your alley. $1,000 is hard to come by. I would probably say steer clear of these, even though they're really good, sexy, and cute. I mean, I love them. They're adorable, which is why I wanted them. But I don't think they're worth $1,000. Whether or not they're going to stay in my life is yet to be seen. They made me buy these just to take them home and try them, and then they said I can return it if I want. So I gotta buy it to try it, to do the video, and maybe I'll return it, maybe I'll keep it. Keep your eye out in future videos and see if maybe I'm wearing these. For the Love of Tech is doing a giveaway, that is right. In the description below is the Gleam link. Get involved, subscribe, enter, watch some videos. Thanks for watching. If you liked the video, give me a thumbs up. If you didn't like the video, give me a thumbs down. Don't forget to hit the subscribe button, and go into the comments and tell me, what do you think about these Louis Vuitton Master Dynamic earbuds? Is it worth it? A waste of money? Just like all high-end stuff, you gotta pay to play. It's not for everyone. So don't jump in the comments and start attacking the price just because you can't afford it. If you could afford it, is this something you would spend your money on? That's the real question, because I don't know if I can afford this or not. They might be going back, they might be staying. I don't know. But what I do know is I'm going to give them a fair shake, and I'm going to come back and give you guys a full review. For the love of tech, namaste.